Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. We're doing a collection review. It's already been announced and it's already up for sale, but we're doing a collection review of the new Little Mermaid collection from Sigma Beauty. Hey guys, so if you are new here, my name is Stacy. I feature unfiltered makeup opinions, honest reviews, tutorials, like OG, old school tutorials, and I also have the unfiltered series. Definitely go check that out after you watch this video. And today we're talking about the new Little Mermaid collection from Sigma Beauty. Now, when I heard that this was actually being released, I was like, yes, I'm so excited for it because The Little Mermaid is actually my favorite Disney movie. I'm just obsessed with mermaids. Anything mermaid, I was like, I just love The Little Mermaid so, so much. And I was so excited to hear about this collection. Now, it is available on the Sigma Beauty website now. It was originally supposed to launch on September 24th, but it seems that maybe it was leaked or something. This is what I've heard. And they ended up launching early. So it is available on the Sigma Beauty website now. It is a limited edition collection from Sigma Beauty, and it's all focused on the Little Mermaid. So with the Little Mermaid collection, they did release limited edition brushes, and these brushes are actually like ombre packaged from a pink to a green. Look how beautiful these are. There are 3 of them. You get they're 3 ultra soft brushes and limited edition finishes, and they also match the beauty bag that comes with the collection, which is this beauty bag right here. Now, the Little Mermaid brush set does retail for $72, and in the brush set you get the E30, the E27, and the F44, which is the powder sculpting brush. But I actually used this to apply my blush today, which is also the blush that's in the collection. So you do get these 3 brushes in the collection, and they retail for $72. Now, they also released limited edition blush and highlight. Look at the packaging on these. These are like little seashells, and when you open them up, you get 1 highlight and then you get 1 blush shade, and they are literally iridescent. They're like cute little seashells. The Little Mermaid blush retails for $28. It's a vibrant pink matte blush in a seashell compact. And I did use the F44 to apply my blush today, and it is super pigmented. And then also you get the Disney's Little Mermaid highlighter. It's a soft pearlescent metallic in a seashell compact. This has like a pearlescent purple finish to it. It is really pretty. It's super subtle and you can build it up. I did notice that it was really, really diffused with the brush that I used, which was the Singe Beauty F06 that I used to kind of diffuse this out if you're looking for something a little bit more like glowy across the face. Or if you want a streak of color, their highlights are gorgeous. They do blend out really nicely. Their highlights don't texturize on the face at all, and they are very like pearlescent. So this is what the highlight looks like on the face. And I just used the F06 from Singe Beauty to apply the highlights. And both of these are beautiful, like true to Sigma formula. Blendable, pigmented, and they don't over accentuate pores. They don't settle into fine lines, and they are just like the cutest packaging ever. I absolutely love these. They're so cute. We have the Little Mermaid Lip Set. You get 2 all-new hydrating lip oils, which are these 2 right here. And then you also get a moisturizing lip cream, which is what I have on my lips. And these retail for $42, and you get the set of them. I did just apply the lip cream today, and I did some live swatches for you guys so you guys can see the 2 shades. So we have the lip oil shade Coral, and then we also have the lip oil shade Sunset, and the lip cream comes in Dingle Hopper. I just love the names of these, of what they chose for these as well. And last but not least in the collection, we have the Little Mermaid eyeshadow palette. Now, this does not come with a double-ended brush, but it does have some formulas in here that are new to Sigma Beauty. So the Disney's Little Mermaid eyeshadow palette retails for $59. It's 14 eyeshadows in matte, shimmer, duochrome, and multi-chrome finishes. They've never done multi-chrome finishes before, and it retails for $59. Now it does have a range of like more neutral shades here, and then it goes into like deep sea blues, purples, turquoises, and it does have a really nice matte black in here as well. And I do believe that the multi-chrome shades are Jumpin' Jellyfish and Swimmin', and these are just pigmented, stunning, gorgeous formula. And I wanted to show you guys the eyeshadow look that I got today with this eyeshadow palette. Overall, I think Sigma Beauty did an absolutely amazing job with this collection. I think it's very like spot on, especially with the names that they chose for some of the eyeshadows, and it's very spot on for the movie. I absolutely love the seashell packaging of the blushes and highlights. I love the lip oil colors and the lip creams. They're very like easy to use. They're very beautiful and like very like mermaidy, if you ask me. So I do have a code with Sigma if you guys are interested, and it is Staci, and it looks like it will stack with some of the Disney collections like this one if you guys want to use it. And it's an affiliated code. I do get a little bit of a kickback, but it does help support the channel. And I wanted to thank Sigma Beauty for sending over the PR package for me. I can't wait to play with it more. If you guys want to see a 3 looks, 1 palette with this palette, then definitely leave me a comment down below. But overall, I think they did like an amazing job overall. I love the pearlescence of the collection. I love the way that it reflects like the sea, and it reflects like the Little Mermaid, and it's just such a fun collection, but it's also like true to the movie as well, which is like my favorite Disney movie. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!